Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off Reels on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and now you want to turn off Reels, so let's see how can you do that. Just open your Facebook app and here just tap on this menu icon and here just tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. From here just scroll down and you will get tab bar option in preferences. You must have to select tab bar and here just customize the bar. And here you will get the video option. You must have to tap on it and here just select height. Just select that. After that your videos or your shorts or reels will be go to the hidden options. Now you must have to go back, go for your home screen and here just try to open videos or reels section so you can see that this is disabled or turned off. So in this way you can easily turn off reels on your Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.